So welcome back to my channel. I've been working hard on my Zoetrope. As you see here, I created a graphic. Kind of relates to space because I really enjoy astrophotography and space in general. So I've got the sun, the stars, phases of the moon, and this interesting spiral here. And this is supposed to create an effect as this thing spins. I took the Zoetrope idea I had from the beginning and kind of converted it to this design because I saw a few things online with DJ scratch tables, and I thought this was quite a unique and artistic way of creating a zoetrope. Sorry. So let's give it a try. On the back, you'll see I've got an Arduino set up to a breadboard. I didn't really want to solder everything. I have a full-time job, and this is just a bit time-consuming, so I just kept it on the breadboard, but I've got a 9-volt battery connected here to an on-off switch, forwards and reverse button, and a potentiometer to control the speed. Right now, I'm going to show you what the effect looks like through the camera, as you can really only see this through the camera, you can't see this through the eye, but I have a way to try and make it visible to the naked eye. So we'll start with this first, just so you can see what the graphic looks like. So I'll just turn it on, get it up to speed here. There's a magic speed where you start to see the graphic. There you go, you start to see it now. But it does have to be adjusted as it goes. So because this effect was only visible through the camera, I wanted to figure out a way to make this visible by through the human eye. So I created this kind of projector contraption that has a spinning disc with evenly spaced holes in it. So when this spins, it kind of creates a strobe, and that strobe allows the Zoetrope to match the speed of the flashes, and you can kind of see the effect with your eye. I noticed it's a little bit blurry, so I may have to adjust the speed of either the motor or the Zoetrope itself, or both. But I'm kind of interested in how this is working, so I'll show it here. So I'm just going to turn this on. It's got a flashlight, it's got a motor, and then it's just got this Arduino over here that I have to plug in, so I'm going to just do that now. Boom. There we go. I've got the projector working, you can see. And then all I have to do is turn the Zoetrope on. Get it spinning. So I realize you are viewing this through the camera, so again, you are going to be dealing with frame rates. But you'll notice I'll turn this flashlight on and off, and you'll notice the difference between what it looks like without the flashlight and with it off. So it's hard to make out through the camera, but to the naked eye there is an effect going on, which I think is quite cool. Just lost a bit of power here. But yeah, it seems to be working, so I think it's quite cool.